This super yacht got its inspiration from the shape of a swan. Its head is the control tower that maneuvers the 450-foot yacht. The head can also be lowered to water level to sail independently. Then the second control unit aboard will take over the management. Avanguardia has 5 decks, including 2 helipads and a swimming pool. The yacht can accommodate 24 guests and 24 staff. It has a maximum cruising speed of 18 knots or 21 miles per hour. Avanguardia is a concept by Italian studio Lazzarini Design.